Alright, my peeps, so Fern Gully is now passable. 2-lane most of the areas and single lane some of the areas. Yeah, man, so Fern Gully is now passable, peeps. Fern Gully is now passable. So some area you have 2-way in most areas, and they don't know them have some of the debris dump up. At some areas you can pass. Dump truck take up the stuff them. Fern Gully is now passable for people. Fern Gully is now passable. Yeah? So by the end of the day, the dump truck's supposed to take up everything. Them now on a big truck as usual through here. Big truck through here as it. Although no big truck not really allowed through here for ever since then. Now them clear the road too so that people can pass. Like most of it are double lane, some are single lane. You understand? So the dump trucker drive and pick up the road, so they pick up from down the road out past already. So this now, I'll leave them, I'll pick up for the rest of the day and leave it tomorrow. So Fern Gully is now passable to small units. You guys, what's going on? Fern Gully is now passable to small units for peeps. Treat it like roads them back in the days when you reach certain section they start like another man pass. Wow, you can just imagine this amount of debris over pass on the road. Just imagine before them clear it up. Through clear right through so toll gate reach right now. Road clear right through, so small units can go through Fern Gully. People, just letting you guys know.